In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify phone number. A quick and efficient walkthrough to ensure your Shopify store's contact information is up to date. Whether you're streamlining customer communication or updating your store's details for accuracy, this guide has you covered. The process begins with navigating to Shopify's homepage. It's essential to start here to ensure you're working directly within Shopify's platform for security and efficiency. Given its user-friendly interface, locating what you need is straightforward. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Click the login button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring that only authorized users can make changes to your account. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your account details. This could include your email or shop name depending on how your Shopify account is set up. Type in the required information to move forward. Remember, this step ensures that the right account is accessed, minimizing the risk of unauthorized changes. Following your entry, you'll see an option to continue with email. Select this to proceed with the email associated with your Shopify account. It's a safeguard for additional verification, ensuring that the person making changes has access to the account's primary communication channel. At this point, you may be asked to choose the account you wish to log into if multiple accounts are linked to your email or device. Choose the relevant account to continue. This step is particularly helpful for users managing multiple stores or accounts, streamlining the login process to the correct storefront. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify admin dashboard. Here, locate My Store, usually found as a clickable option. This section is where you can oversee various aspects of your Shopify store, from orders and products to account settings and informational updates. After clicking on My Store, your next move is to select Manage Account. This option leads you directly to where personal and store information can be updated, including your phone number. The Manage Account area is designed for such personalizations and updates, making account management a breeze. Now to the core of today's guide, changing your phone number. Look for the option that says Add Phone Number. This could be under Account Settings or Personal Information, depending on your dashboard's layout. Selecting this prepares the system to update your contact information. Upon selecting Add Phone Number, you will be prompted to enter your new phone number. It's a straightforward step, but critical. Ensure the number entered is accurate and accessible, as it may be used for verification or communication purposes related to your Shopify store. After entering your new phone number, the process is almost complete. You might be asked to verify the number, either through a text message or a call, depending on Shopify's current security processes. This verification step is paramount for the security of your account, protecting you against unauthorized changes and ensuring the number is correct and reachable. With the verification complete, your Shopify phone number will be successfully updated. This change ensures that your store's contact information is current, which is vital for customer service, verification purposes, and more. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing your phone number on Shopify. It's a simple process, but each step is important to ensure the security and accuracy of your account information. Keeping your contact details up to date on Shopify not only assists in effective customer communication, but also contributes to the overall trustworthiness and professionalism of your store. Remember, maintaining accurate and current account information is crucial for smooth operations, whether it's for customer inquiries, order confirmations, or security verifications. I hope this guide has made the process clear and manageable for you. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial on how to change your phone number on Shopify. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips to manage your online store seamlessly. Have a great day and see you in the next video.